Actually, they are, of course, related. Data protection and privacy are very, very similar concepts, but they are not the same. There are two articles, one of them dealing with respect to private and family life, another one which specifically deals with data. So there are at least two articles in the European Charter of Fundamental Rights dealing with privacy issues. That's Article 7 about private and family life and its respect, and Article 8, which is about data protection. The Europeans consider privacy as a fundamental right. And within Europe, there is a rather long tradition now to deal with privacy rights in all member states of the European Union. Of course, there are differences on a national level. However, I think a common understanding, at least on the primary law level, which is the Charter, is achieved and will be further strengthened in the next years. The Europeans do have a rather long tradition of independent data protection authorities who are in charge of helping the individual in protecting his or her personal data. There's also the idea that already on the constitutional level, meaning in the Fundamental Charter, there are specific rights clearly attributed to the individual. If you look at the Charter of Fundamental Rights in Europe, it appears rather strange that, different from many other articles which are very short and very abstract, Article 8 dealing with data protection is much more specific on users' rights in its Section 2. We take this very seriously here in Europe. We have two articles in the Charter of Fundamental Rights, both of them dealing with privacy and data protection, which makes it very, very important to take this into consideration in any processing of personal data in Europe.